Okay, today we're going to talk about a paragraph named Buy This. And first they're discussing about why we buy this thing is useless because we won't buy something unless what we think worse than what we must pay. This is a old or a very old exhibition from Asian, because when we didn't buy something, we'll feel very depressed or depressed, feel not happy because it seems like we lose something. And yeah, maybe and what there's an experiments that when we see something, we will be self-reward like when we see the car or something in this experiment, something will self-reward and that object is one of perceived desire. The nucleus accumbens will receive signal to our brain. Yeah, and there is another experiment which is discussing about Coke and Pepsi. First, they find that why Coca-Cola is the best selling from Pepsi. And yeah, when the result of the experiment is that when they saw to Coke, the Coca-Cola is always always primary taste sensitive, like sensation. So after that experiment, they think that Coke's long-term advertising has success. When I think Coca-Cola is better than Pepsi. Yeah. But not everyone who like Coca-Cola know that why he liked it, because they're thinking all their emotions and just go to their mind. Yes.
Okay. Today we are going to tell the paragraph called Buy This. This paragraph mainly talked about the customer want what they want to buy, and they will prefer to buy. First, they need to see did the customer have preferred to some products. So there has a demonstrate called that they choose some young male and let them choose different kinds of cars, and they use the fMRI to show that those young male are preferred to sports car. And then another demonstrates they use the America Coca-Cola two company Coke and Pepsi, and they use the fMRI to see that a lot of participants are most likely cook. They think this because their self-image, so they memorize the Coke is feel good and like to drink it. And they have another demonstration called they call a lot of participants and to compare 45 pairs things, and they need to decide to pair the item with they are similar or different. And the data show that the mostly correct person is they use fMRI to show that their brain is low activate, and the mostly incorrect their brain has high activate in the same region. And in the last paragraph, and in the last of the paragraph, they told that commercial advertisement is important to let the consumer know their thinking. And they have said that the commercial can stay long-term memorized in your brain. And but they have some problem of the sound demonstrate because the data is small, because you can using fMRI is a complex machine, so it's not be used a lot of. And the interesting also influence people, like the people doesn't like the soda and they need to choose, so it is not accurate. I think that advertisement have a lot of effect in our life, because we will see a lot of advertisement, and sometimes we see the advertisement and we will want to buy them. And then some interesting also can influence your choices. Like if you yes, there are some instrument. I think it also can influence your